Okay, you guys, so now I'm in Ross and we're gonna start at the purses. I think I'm just gonna look at the shoes and the purses today. So here's a Calvin Klein for $49. They got DKNY, $59. You guys excuse the crying back there. Here's a Michael Kors. That is $99. That's kind of cute. Here is another Calvin Klein. And that one is $49. This one is different, kind of cute. I like the way that one looks for $109. Then back here, look at that. That is really pretty. Has the little tag on it with the little jewel. And it retails for $228. And this is on clearance for $59. That's really cute. I like that one. They have backpacks. How much is that? $49. Let's see, what's that down there? Here's Carl Lager. Is it Lagerfeld or Lagerfeld? I'm not sure, but it's on sale for $79. That's cute. Here's some Michael Kors backpacks for $99. You got DKNY right here. I like the front of that. That's cute. $49. And then some more backpacks up here. This one is on clearance for $41.99. This is Michael Kors, and that is $89. Calvin Klein. Oh, that's a pretty floral purse. Look at that. I like that one for $59. And then on this one over here, more Michael Kors, $119 for that. This one is $59. Here's a cute little Michael Kors tote. That's $89.99. This one up here is $119. The prices are kind of reminding me of pretty much being at Marshall's. They seem about the same. And then you got this one for $99. So there is another section with purses. Oh, I like this one. It's kind of big. There is another section. This one is $129 with purses, so I'm gonna go over there before I go to the shoes. Okay, so now I'm over here, and let's see, what is this? The Bueno collection, $19.99. That's actually really nice for $19.99. This is $17.99. Not sure what brand that is. Let's see what else. I think this is Tommy Hilfiger. Little backpack for $24.99. Beverly Hills Polo. Okay, this duffel bag is super cute. Look at that. It has little owls all over it, and it has the little eyelashes and the ears. This is cute. And it's only $21.99. If you're traveling and you just want like a little overnight bag, this is so cute. It has the gold hardware. I like that. Steve Madden. $19.99. That's not bad. This will be cute for spring as well. It's only $20. $21.99. That is a purse backpack by Sugu. I'm not sure what that is. Here's Reaction. Kenneth Cole for $26. Okay, so then here is a Floral Guest backpack for $39.99. This one, not sure what brand this is. Let's see. I don't know. Like Dreams, but it has a cute little unicorn charm on it, and I don't see $19.99 for that. Next to it is a llama little backpack, and it comes with a little clutch. That's $19.99, and that's Under One Sky. Here's some fanny packs for $8.99. This is cute. That is $19.99 for that backpack. This cute guest purse for $29.99. I'm sure this is Betsy Johnson. We can only tell, huh? That's $23.99, and as well as this. Let's see. Oh no, this isn't. $21.99. It's the same as the owl, except for this is unicorns. It has a little horn. Look at that. This would be cute for a teenager if you have a daughter or a granddaughter and you want to get her a little bag for her to stay the night at her friend's house. This is nice. Okay, I like this one. It has 3 zippers. You got the one on the outside, one in the middle, and then another one on the outside. That's actually really cute. $24.99. More fanny packs. This one has little heart studs on it. That's $8.99 as well. Here is a Michael Kors bag down here. A red one for $99. And then let's see what's on this last row before I go look at the shoes. Here's your gray purses over here. This one is $22.99 with this big tassel. I like that. Lots of Tommy Hilfiger, $24.99. I see lots of Tommy back here. Here's another duffel bag. This is another Steve Madden purse, another floral one. That is $19.99. Okay, so now I'm gonna head over to the shoes, which is straight ahead, and see what we can find over there. Okay, they got these cute Carlos Santanas for $19.99. They kind of remind me of the shoes I saw at Macy's. What are those? $18.99. Look at these Sam Edelmans with these puff balls on the front. Those are different. Look at that. I don't know what to think about those, but those are $17.99. Don't seem like they got a lot going on over here, but I will say it's kind of messy, so. Look at these. These are by Kids, and these are cute. Are these leather? Real leather? I can't see on the inside, but I like those. And they're only $17.99. I would rock these. Let's see. What are these? Soda. Those are $16.99. Those are kind of cute. No, they don't have the K-Swiss. Man, I wore these, not these, but I had K-Swiss all through high school. That was my shoe. Look at these though. Those are kind of cute. And these are $22.99. Oh, they got some old school Fila's up in here, $19.99, and they're all white. What are these? These are Sam Edelmans for $16.99. They make the coolest but weirdest shoe, I swear. Look at that, all the feathers. But $16.99 for those. Here's some Michael Kors slides. Don't see a price on those. Here's some cute sandals by Guess, $17.99. Little gladiator sandals. Guess. These are $12.99. These are by Blowfish for $15.99. Oh, here's some pretty Aldo Heels for $27. Those are cute. What are these? Penny Loves Kenny. That's what these are. And those are $19. Okay, what is this right here? Look at that. That kind of strap on the back. And these are by Rocket Dog, and those are $17.99. Those are kind of cute and different. Never seen those before. With that elastic strap on the back. One of these Jelly Pops. Cute for $19.99. 32. These are $32.99. Oh, these are cute. Madden Girls. I like that. Cute summer and spring shoe for $19.99. That's the only color I see, but I like those. 7 Dowels. Here's some more Pumas. These are kind of like the sock, have the sock on the top, and these are $42.99. I love that color. Not too crazy about that style, but I like that color. What are these? MIA for $16.99. I think I seen something like this at DSW and they were like 60 bucks. Carlos Santana. These are $16.99. Those are cute. What are these? Cliffs by White Mountain for $13.99. I don't see the other one of that one. So, oh, there it is. Let's see. These are $14.99 and they're Skechers. Oh, they got some cute little floral blowfish shoes, $15.99. Oh, I seen another pair of K-Swiss. I like these, $24.99. Those are a little different. Oh, here's some more, $24.99 for these as well. A little light blue, kind of purplish. These are $32.99. And here's some real pretty blue. I don't like the bottom. I don't like the way those look, but that blue is pretty. And these are Pumas, and those are $24.99. Okay, so that is it for today. I am going to get out of here. These are Michael Kors. This is a different Ross than I went to the last time. Let's see. These are only $39.99. Those are cute with the little pink bow. So, yeah, this is a different location since I'm next to Hobby Lobby. And I am pretty much done in here. So thank you guys all for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye. These are some Pumas, $29. What do they say on the side? I think that says Clyde. I'm not too sure.